How to remove billing address in Shopify checkout. To do this, we can go to our settings here in the bottom left, right next to the gear icon. You just click on that, and from here I want to go to checkout, and now I can scroll down here, and when you get to this side of it, you can see address line 2, for example, apartment unit, etc. You can just click on that one which says don't include, even if the optional one is recommended, because that's the purpose of this tutorial. So we don't want to include this. We just click on that. And also you can do the same for shipping address, phone number. You can also click on don't include. And once you're done with that, you want to click on save here on the top right to make sure that the changes are saved. And it should say settings saved down here. Once you do that, that's it. That's how you remove the billing address from the Shopify checkout. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.